Hi, I'm Ari Sludum here. On our channel, we talk about a wide variety of wellness topics, including productivity, mental health, and also healthy plant-based recipes. Today, we're going to make a low-carb, plant-based stuffed green bell pepper recipe. Watch till the end. I'll have the nutrition facts all laid out for you. For the ingredients, we'll need 3 green peppers, 1 block of tofu, 1 can of black soybeans, riced cauliflower, about a half can of olives, 3 avocados, garlic powder, chili powder, and umami mushroom seasoning, and then garlic powder, chili powder, and dried onion, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cut your green bell peppers in half and take out all of the seeds. And then you're going to take your avocado and get the filling out. And I'm going to weigh my avocado and green pepper just to make sure that the nutritional facts are as accurate as possible. To the avocado, you're going to add some optional lime juice, pepper, and a bit of salt if you'd like. That's optional. And then go ahead and mash it. And mash it to the consistency you like. I'm going to take the block of tofu and wrap it in a paper towel and put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. That's going to take a lot of the sogginess out. And then go ahead and cut your tofu into cubes. I like to cut them pretty small just because I feel like that works best in the air fryer. Add the 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then your spices, whichever spice mixture you'd like. I add the one with the umami mushroom. Add your tofu for 400 degrees at 15 minutes. Open your can of black soybeans and then add it to the pan. I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then the other mixture of spices. And you're going to mash and mash the black soybeans. Takes a lot of muscle, as you can see. I'm going to add just about a 1/4 cup of water. And I'm going to show you what this looks like after I've just added the water. It's a little bit runny. You're going to cook this for about 15 minutes and you can see the water evaporated. Preheat your oven to 350, and while you're doing that, you can combine all of the ingredients into the stuffed green bell peppers. We're going to take first the riced cauliflower, and I didn't defrost this with a microwave, I just let it defrost on its own. We have our black soybean mixture. I'm going to add next. And then the tofu cubes. I found that it doesn't all fit on a sheet very well, so I'm going to put it in a glass dish. And then go ahead and add your tofu. I found that it doesn't stick as well, so I used my hands, and make sure your hands are clean, of course. And you might have a little bit of extra tofu at the end and also cauliflower. So what I did was just add it to the pan. It's all going to cook and you can add the extras. This is what it looks like right out of the oven. So I'm going to take a stuffed green bell pepper, and as you can see, it worked out nicely. We had that extra cauliflower and that extra tofu. I'm going to have 2 that's about a serving size, and I don't know what to add first. I think I'll add some avocado, and I'm going to add just a sprinkle of olives. I'm just gonna use my hands because I'm the one that's gonna eat this, so it doesn't matter. A tiny sprinkle of salsa. Let me show you what this looks like. I'm going to share with you in a second all of the nutritional facts. You can see here from this table, I calculated the calories, fat, saturated fat, and so on for every single item in total. And then what I did in the bluish box here was per serving, which is about 2 green bell peppers. So a total of about 3 servings. You can see all of the totals here. We have about 13.6 grams of net carbs, 393 kilocal. There's almost 31 grams of fat. Keep in mind that these fat sources are mostly from the olives and the avocado. I used 2 tablespoons of olive oil for the entire recipe for all 3 servings. So most of the fat is non-refined. You can see it's relatively low in sodium, depending on how much sodium you can have per day. And the fiber is quite high. It's almost 24 grams, which is almost about the recommended amount per day. So again, depending on your nutritional needs, you can really change this recipe up. You don't have to use black soybeans. I think they're great source. They are lower in carbs because, net carbs at least, because they're higher in fiber, but they also have a lot of phytonutrients, which is why I like them. You can easily substitute those with black beans. You can, if you find that this is too much protein, you can take out some of the black beans, or you can take out the tofu as well. So it's very flexible, and you can play around with the nutrition facts relatively easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was another low-carb, plant-based meal. Again, very versatile, very cheap. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. Take care. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.